Hello everyone, welcome back again in our Viz Workshop studio. Today I'm gonna share you the best rendering technique inside 3ds Max and Vray. Basically today I'm gonna share you the best way to create lighting, to create material and rendering technique. If you are a beginner and mid-level artist, this tutorial will help you a lot. So okay, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to press F10 and then make sure it will. If you work on lighting in 3ds Max and Vray or Corona, so you just need to go to the here you need to go to the Vray, and then here you can find from global switch and active here override material override setting. Okay, so basically there is a many coloring assigned in this, a lot of wall and other stuffs. So if you have put a single color in your whole model in rendering, then you need to active here override material, and then here select Vray. As we work on Vray, select Vray material. Okay, then press M from keyboard, simply drag and drop this material into material editor slots and make sure it will instance. Okay, so here you just need to select the color that you choose. So maybe I choose the gray. Okay, then let's again press F10, or in here click the last VFB. So in here you can show your VFB, Vray frame buffer pop up. Here we just start interactive render from here, and let's see what happened. So whole thing is black because we don't have any source of light in this scene yet. Okay, so create a sun here. Just draw a sun in your viewport. And would you like to automatically add a Vray sky environment? Yes. Okay, so in here you just select the perspective view, then you can find your perspective. So again press F10, and as you can lock here, lock in your viewport, so that your perspective is still locked while you convert your viewport, still working on your perspective. Okay, sun position is very low, so if I bringing it up, then you are able to increase the lighting of your sun. Okay, so you can adjust your sun according to your desired lighting direction. Okay, then adjust the sun intensity according to your scene setup. So in here you can increase the sun intensity 3 or 2, and most important thing here, sun size. So if you increase the size multiplier, then you can get the softer lighting effect. Okay, so adjust the sun. So in here we don't have any ground surface. Okay, so you can add easily here your ground surface from, you just need to go to the Vray toolbar, and here you need to select very interesting thing here, Vray plane. Okay, so click Vray plane, and then go to the top view and just drag in your viewport, and boom, as you can see, your ground add in your exterior bottom. Okay, so this is Vray plane, so before and after. Then also you can add here material. For example, maybe I'm gonna put a material in this plane. So just you need to go to the material, then select a grass material over here, maybe ground. For example, I want to put this material over here, then assign to material selection and press F10. Then select the Vray plane, and here you need to exclude this, the Vray plane. Okay, then let's start interactive render. Then boom, you can see your grass like ground is active. Okay, so this is very simple and easy trick you can use in your exterior. Sky is looking very flat, so you can make it more realism and add by using the add. You can add clouds and make it more realistic. So clouds on, then you can see a cloud. Now cloud is added in your viewport. Okay, so let's play with this cloud over here. So here lower this density and variety. Decrease the density a bit. Okay, so in this way you can add more realistic sky in your exterior scene. Okay, and another way to create daylighting or maybe nighttime rendering, you just need to add here Vray dome. Add dome light, place here. So while you add dome light, your sun sky will not working because itself dome light itself environmental daylighting system. So you can add this dome light while using the nighttime render. So delete this light for now. When we render this file in a nighttime, then we can work on the dome light. Okay, let's jump into the next part. Now I would like to add trees around the exterior scene. So you need to just active Chaos Cosmos browser as usual. So as you can see, there are a lot of new thing added in Chaos Cosmos browser. So amazing. So here and a lot of new HDRI and a lot of new material. As you can see, this is very high quality material. So that's why I prefer Chaos Cosmos browser and I love it. And I want to thanks you, the Chaos group, to provide this kind of amazing and ultra realistic material and model. Okay, so huge. I think this is game changer for 3D visualizer and ArcViz artist. Okay, so let's jump into the 3D model and then vegetation. So in there you can find a lot of vegetation, trees, indoor plants, shrubs, flowers. So what you need in 3D and interior and exterior, lot of thing you can find over here. Also you can find here forest 001, like this all thing is presets, so you can work on this kind of forest. Just one click you can add it in your scene. So just first of all you need to download this package, and then here you need to jump in this viewport, and then you need to create a surface over here. So maybe you can create a rectangle in your plantation area. Okay, and then just add here, click here, then you are able to add here lot of plants. Just one click guys, just one click. So you can find here a lot of realistic trees. So maybe I choose this trees, this one, and this one. So you can add lot of trees over here. Okay, but just you need to download this before you put in your scene. Okay, and then put it in your scene. So lot of amazing and ultra realistic trees you can find over here. Okay, then let's place all this tree according to your viewport and camera angle. And at the same time you can add interactive render. And while you copy, if you need and copy in your trees and any high poly modeling, you just make it instance instead of copying. Okay, it will save in your scene. I need to add here a ground base in this exterior building. So create a rectangle and then extrude and make it 18 inch. Go to the front view. Make it 30 inch. Then adjust all these trees and your ground. Below the PL level like this. Okay, also the plane minus 30 inch and more. And let's interactive render again. And I just need to create a stair or ramp over here. Go to the top view, convert it into editable poly, then vertices, so here is 2D reference to create a stair and ramp. So just create a rectangle, then extrude it, make it 6-inch razor, and then make it copy. Convert it into editable poly, then vertex, then make it ramp, like select bottom vertex and then create this kind of a ramp. Okay, now let's begin the material. So in this time I wanna deactivate the override material, so just uncheck these override settings, then restart this. We don't have put any kind of material. Okay, so first of all, Windows, so select similar, so all this and make it group. Go to the default shading and just you need to add here this material, and then let's create glass material first of all. So in here, go to the Vray material, then preset, I choose glass. Okay, then another for this border, that will metal, so here again Vray material, and then preset maybe iron or silver. Multi-sub object, so one for this one and another for that glass, then assign it. Make it swap. Okay, done. So when I create this model, we just select the one, we select the polygon ID, like one is glass and two is our border, like this one. Let's test. As you can see, all our glass windows and doors is ready and it's works fine. Wall, this one and this one, this is all is wall, and I put here paint material. So just go to the Vray and then Vray material, then preset. I want to choose here white stain, assign. Let's start interactive render. And make it group. So group, and then use here EVW map. So here EVW map, and then box, and then one single square, like 50 50 50. Okay, so here environment tab, I wanna off this map right now as I working on the material. So in here just complete the all material assigning over here. So in this select similar, and then all this material I wanna put this one, assign, and make it some thing like this. This will this override, so assign, and this will also. So all those windows when you create make it multi-sub object, and before do that you just so if you miss this technique, just watch previous modeling part, and then I will share the create material ID. So watch this before if you interested to learn this. Okay, so all this thing I wanna put this one, and then unhide all, go to the camera, and then select similar, all this. So all this metal, so metal balcony grill, select all, so group, then assign another here Vray material, and then I wanna make it chrome, assign, done. Then assign this part, for this unhide all, then go to the camera, unhide all. Then let's start again interactive render. Press 8 in your keyboard and then active use map. Okay, done. It's look very interesting now, right? So if you wanna add the grass in your ground and some little detail in your lighting material, then you can improve this exterior more. But I just set the render to get exact and better output. Okay, so press F10. Okay, so I don't wanna waste your time to make the render setup now. I have published our best render setup in Vray. You can find this video link in description. If you go in this ArcViz workshop channel, then you can find our recent video Vray render setup. So watch this video. So I just wanna load preset this previous setting that I have set in that video. So let's set up, just add the preset, then open, load, boom, done. So all this setting now added that I have set before. So watch that video. You can do it easily after watching watching that video. Okay, so as you can see, all this render setup is added, just one click. Let's interactive render, and then you are able to according to the rendered setup. Then you just need to correct the lighting. So here you can decrease the photon radius according to your sun size. Okay, and decrease the sun value over here, so maybe 0.6 or 0.9 in the square frame. So as you can see here, this is a problem. So if you face this kind of a problem, like all this wall and all this object like checker thing, so you can improve and fix it from here. Primary engine, you just select it brute force, and secondary, that will light cache, then stop it, and then again hit interactive render, sit after do this secondary light cache and primary engine brute force, done. Okay, so this is a basic problem in modeling, so some overlap issue. So before hit the final render, you just need to check all your modeling, like fix all errors, all overwrite. Otherwise you are not able to get actual and proper rendering. Okay, so in here, so push this and hide all. So select the polygon and maybe increase some and increase it of our parapet wall. So just add over here parapet wall, so create line, just simply create line over here, line shift, then modify and make it extrude. So while you extrude like this, your all roof area will extrude, but I wanna extrude it from the borderline only. For that you need to go to the line, then select vertex, one vertex, and then make it break. Then you can you are able to create this kind of a wall. Okay, so and select the vertex and delete this segment and this segment, then extrude. So extrude it 36 inch, then use shell modifier over here to make it thicknessable wall, 5 inch. Delete this line also. And if you extension this wall and this line, just select this vertex and hold shift and drag like this, then you are able to extension on that object. Okay, so extrude, make it 30 inch, then assign it this material, okay. Now let's hit the render. So guys, if you work on 3ds Max and Vray, you just need to this render setup. So especially this render setup, you can set it just one time in your life, and then you can use it several times in your exterior or interior project also. So learn how to set up this kind of a render. So check that video that I have discussed on previous. So watch that render setup video, best render setup in Vray, then you are able to improve your rendering quality in your exterior image. Okay, so while you find your front lighting is dark, then you can add one more artificial light over here. So before do that here an issue. So when you complete in your whole project, then you need to fix your all error that you in your render time. So you need to just extra time to fix the all error. Okay, so go to the front view, so fix the overlapping here, so select the upper vertices, and then bringing it down bottom of your roof. Or bringing it up top of your slab. Done. And this slab group open, select this one, and also this top of your wall. Done. Trees from Chaos Cosmos. If you make it point or you make your scene more light. Okay, so now our file is a lower poly count, as you can see, and file will more light. I can easily handle this file, otherwise your file will lag in several times, so use this trick. Then here, so first of all you just place your sun position according to your exterior scene. So I think the best position is this. So while you fix your sun position, and still your image look like more dark, and you think that you here plain light as a artificial light, sorry, here Vray plain light, and then drag in your viewport, and then make it 45-degree rotated in top view, and some 45-degree angle like this. And the interesting technique now here, you just need to select rectangle and dice option. In here make it always directional. Boom, you can so bringing it up in this light like this, and make it targeted also. So target it in your exterior scene, and then make it directional. Boom. So as you can see, you can increase your lighting. So this is very much higher intensity light, so decrease this into maybe 20 or 10. So this depends on your exterior scene. Okay, so this is the best way to create easily and fast exterior lighting and rendering. Okay, so that's enough explanation. So in here just we need to create another parapet. So edge, this and this, connect, then polygon, then just extrude it a bit like this. Hit render. I think it's looks better than before. Okay, so thanks for joining to this workshop. So next, what thing you need to learn, let me in the comment. I'll try to provide your desired learning, your desired tutorial. Okay, so after complete the rendering, I'll show you the this image to you guys. Okay, that's all for today's workshop. Thanks for joining in this full video. Okay, so keep practicing, and if you face any problem, let me know in the comment, and I have a Facebook link in the description. You can contact with me through this link. If you need guys advanced course, I have some paid course. If you're interested to join this advanced course, let me know in the comment, and what the next video topic that you need, let me know in the comment. Okay, so thanks for watching.